chest again?
Yeah, I got this, Coach.
Hey, good job.
Coach, got a minute?
Sure, come right over here.
I'm gonna need some, I think I'm gonna need some help with the powers test. I'm really not getting all the, what you're saying really in class.
We definitely want you to be able to play in the game, or else we're going to be sunk. So let's see what we can do.
I kind of figured so.
All right, let me see what I can do at the board to maybe clear some of this stuff up for you. So we're going to first look at just powers. Dave, what would happen if we were 2 to the third? How many 2's are we multiplying?
3.
Yes, just like your jump shot. You're always good for hitting 3.
Yeah.
So let's go 2 times 2 times 2, and then we multiply those together and we produce
6.
Oh, let's think about it. 2 times 2
Yeah.
will give us 4,
Mm-hmm.
and then we multiply the other 2 times 4, 4 times 2.
Oh, see, that's where I'm getting confused. Now I
Gives us
get
8.
8. Okay.
All right, outstanding. All right, let's jump down to the product of powers. Product of powers, okay? Couple simple rules, okay? Simple rules is when we're multiplying powers that have the same base, this is what the x's represent, the same base. Then when we multiply, we just add the exponents. So if we have the same base, we go ahead and add the exponents, which will produce what? Let's take a look. What if we did it like this? 2 to the 5th.
Okay.
The base is the same,
Yes.
so then we add the exponents.
Is that it?
That's it. The quotient of powers is a very tricky topic, Dave. It takes away from,
I think I fell asleep with that point in class.
yeah, and I think it takes away from your usual. Let's think of it as a game. Okay. We're gonna do something that's easy and tricky. With quotients, if we have the same base again,
Uh-huh.
we can actually move one of the numbers either up or down. Yep, and which one's larger?
8.
Correct. So let's just move the 4 up and then subtract it away from 8. So now this looks like this. X to the 8th minus 4 is equal to X, which is the base, and 8 minus 4, Dave, you already answered,
4.
to the 4th power.
And you don't have to show that it's over 1.
No, because it's understood. What about this one, Dave? What happens if it's, let's say it's z to the 3rd and z to the 5th? The first thing that you want to look at, are the bases the same?
Yes.
Okay. Now, which one's larger, 3 or 5?
5.
So in this case, we're going to move the 3 below and subtract it away from the largest number. Remember what we replaced the top or the bottom number with when we moved it?
A 1.
So we're going to do the same thing here. So this becomes 1 z, 5 minus 3 gives us what?
2.
2. So z squared. 1 over z squared is our final result. Powers to a power. All right. And powers to a power, Dave, it's kind of like you on the boards. You always attack the boards as if you're,
How about boxing out, Coach?
yeah, and right now this little x squared problem is boxing out of 5. So what you're going to do in this case is that when it's power to a power, we're going to multiply. So 2 times 5 will produce us
10.
10. So you're at the power of 10 on the boards, and they're at the power of 2.
Okay.
Because you just, whatever they do, you just multiply yourself against it.
So outside the parentheses, I multiply.
Exactly. So let's look at the power of products. In the power of products, it's kind of tricky.
You're not kidding.
On this case, Dave, we're going to have to do a little bit of distributive property.
What was that again?
We're going to distribute. We're going to send this 5 here and send it there.
Both places?
Yes. So it's like this, Dave. We're going, you know what happens when you go here? That becomes x to the 10th. Now, this is separated by multiplication. So if that's the case, then we're going to go ahead and go y
So 15th.
to the 15th. Now, that's our final answer. We don't combine anything. We can't add anything because the bases are different. And so, therefore, this is the final result. You know, some of these other bad schools, and we're doing a good X's and O's with the trap and defense.
Like Wild Lake?
Yeah, and they really don't know what's happening.
Kind of like Wild Lake.
And then we're coming here, and all of a sudden, you know, we beat them. All right. This is easy, Dave. Someone told me something a long time ago. They said that anything to the first power is...
I told you, Coach.
I was hoping you'd tell me. Whatever it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that simple?
Yeah, because it's to the first. So if we had 7 to the first power, it's still just what?
7.
7.
Can't be that easy.
Easy. All right, Dave. Last one for today. Power of 0. Let's think about it. Any number to the 0 power produces...
Nothing.
I don't know about nothing, Dave.
Well, it's godlike. It destroys everything.
Yeah, but it's special. Anything to the 0 power is 1.
What? I don't get it, Coach.
I know, you're thinking, wow.
You're telling me like 80 to the 0 power.
80
That's 1.
to the 0 power is going to produce 1. Any number to the 0 power is 1. Powers, product of powers, quotient of powers, power to a power, power of products, power of 1. Remember, it's whatever that number is.
Mm-hmm.
Power of 0.
Hey, everything goes to 1.
Yep. And there you have it.
Thanks, Coach.
Well, Dave, you know, it's been fun doing that. Now it's time to go and do our other job. It's almost time to practice, and we're going to work your body now.
Thank God, my mind hurts enough as it is.
Let's get the body going. All right, Dave, let's get ready.
Cool.